We are going to Brussels, pick up my bib number and everything that comes with it. I'm really excited, but I'm also, I have a little cold. It's been 2-3 days. I need to rest, but I'm excited. All right, so we got our bib number 2478. One like this, or one like this.
I
like this one the most.
You can personalize it.
Oh yeah, let's get it. A4, A3, oh, you have multiple choices. We got the t-shirt. Don't need to buy another one. Okay, I'm happy. So we are planning where my family needs to be to take pictures of me, and I can cry over here, running out. So this is the finish line where we are going to be tomorrow. If everything goes as planned, the slowest I can be is 4 hours. I'm excited. So we are replenishing for tomorrow. Today is a really loading carb day. I'm going to eat more carbs than I usually do. So I started with pasta with fish. Usually I only eat once a day carbs. The rest of the day I only eat like salad and a lot of protein, you know. We are now going to the starting point. Just want to see it, to feel it, and to get more into the race for tomorrow. But other than that, yeah, today is a rest day, doing it easily and prepare. So I'm going to show you at home everything I'm taking with me and everything I'm doing. So see you at the starting point. So these are the starting points where we need to be. 2:59, 3:14, not for me yet. 3:15, 3:29, almost for me, but that's a little too ambitious, to be honest. But this one is for me. So I'm at the yellow mark. I will be standing here 3:30, 3:44. We're going home. I'm going to do my shakeout run. We're starting with 1.5k easy roll up, and then doing 3 times 300 meters sprints or tempos. I ended up with some stretches and good cool down movements. Something I really should have done more over the prep of this marathon. Sometimes I'm honestly just too lazy. So it's something I need to work on, honestly. It's really helpful. I always felt good and better. I'm really hungry, so let's go eat. I think I have like a start of shin splints. I've done like long distances with that pain. It's been more than a month, but the pain hasn't increased. So that's good. What are we doing tonight to avoid more problems? This football sock, why 2 socks? It's because I'm going to put ice in between and to not just put it on the skin. It's cold, it's cold. I feel like it helps. Okay, Google, put a timer for 15 minutes. I hope when you are going to run your first marathon, or if you already did, but you're going to run your second marathon, I mean, you don't get a cold. So we're drinking tea, and I like to add yet more lemon and yet more ginger. And then before going to sleep, I'm using this Vicks Vaporub, Olive Rup, placing there so that I can breathe that mental. I'm going to prepare everything for tomorrow, lay everything on my bed. These are my shoes for tomorrow, the Saucony Ride 16 or 18. These are really my best shoes for long runs. My toe socks, very, very important because I don't want to have blisters. And this from Inji, new shorts with a back pocket, side pocket, and also like a phone pocket. The Brussels Marathon shirt, got it today. This one is one of my favorite hats, very light. My outfit is ready. All right, so what are the accessories I'm taking with me tomorrow? First of all, this one is like small on the side. This one that goes around my waist. It's easier to put that small bottle into that. Every 5 kilometers, there will be a replenishment of water, ISO drinks, even gels, and toilets. Very important. This one, I take it everywhere I'm going for a long run. A lot of pockets, more place, more stuff for my gels and my water. I'm probably taking this with me because it's easy for my head if it's too cold in the beginning, or if I'm just sweating too much, I'm putting it like this, and then, you know, my eyes are protected. The best thing all time for running and to avoid blisters. So this one, cannot forget, because without this one, I'm going to cry. Of course, deodorant, my heart rate monitor. You're monitoring your heart, and then you can learn from it and be better next time. So that's one. But with the heart monitor is also a beautiful watch. The Garmin 955 Forerunner 955 Solo gives me my pace, my time, gives me everything, even if I'm happy or not. And one thing I cannot miss is my girlfriend. I'm taking her with me, not in my backpack and not during my race, but along my race. First of all, she's going to motivate me, which is really important. These are all my bells. Of course, I'm not taking all of them with me, so let me just count with you. 20 minutes, 40 minutes, 1 hour, 1 hour 20, 40, 2 hours, 2 hours 20, 2 hours 40, 3 hours, 2 hours 20, 2 hours 40, and just in case, we're taking another shell. Okay, so probably we're taking all those shells. It's maybe overkill, I don't know, but I'm taking 20 gels every 20 minutes, and it has helped me out. So I'm just all in for this race. I'm not doing that every long run. I'm just doing that for very important races like tomorrow. And by the way, I am using these Decathlon gels and Overstims gels. These two. These Overstims gels are just but I need to use them because I really bought them. The most of them from Decathlon are pretty good. I have lemon, red fruits, apple, red fruits, even like a cola flavor, okay, mint flavor. Oh, this one, no, I took that without knowing it, and then I had like my burning mouth. Maybe I'm taking this like at the 30k to wake up again. Pretty sure I have everything, but let's check it one last time. All right, so we have the outfit, everything, the watch, the gels, the hat, the scarf, things to carry. 2,478, the number. Now let's have a good night of sleep. It's almost 10 p.m. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. We are ready.
It's 7 a.m. almost. As you saw, I prepared like just simple rice with eggs. That works for me. I'm eating like 3 hours before, but enough for me. A coffee to go to the toilet before as well. And it's not very heavy on my stomach. honestly, eating a little bit of protein and mostly rice carbs. Yeah.
Okay, so we are running to the starting line. I really want to warm up because otherwise I start too slow or my heart rate spikes too fast. So we want to avoid that.
Are you ready? Run it! Your Brussels Apple Marathon 2025! Let's go! Back when I feel like, back when I feel like, I'm gonna get back when I feel like. When I feel like, back when I feel like when I feel like, when I feel like, when I feel like.
3K to go, let's go.
I'm gonna get back when I feel like.
So I just finished. I didn't need to walk before for talking. My legs. I just want to lay down honestly, but take water first. Get no stretch. Vital. Merci. Well deserved. But here it is. All right, so I did the engraving of the medal 350. I wanted to do 345, but honestly, after 30 kilometers, I was burned.
So we are 2 days after the race. My legs are getting better. I'm good, but my legs are a little bit sore. It was a very heavy race, honestly. The fact that the Brussels Marathon is so hard, it did really tackle my body a lot. But let me tell you how everything went. We were a bit late, and then I decided to just warm up running to the starting point, which was at 2 kilometers or something. I needed to do some dynamic stretches as well. I thought if I stay between the 3:30 and the 3:45, I'm going to be super good. I started at a pace of 5 minutes per kilometer. After like 3 to 5 kilometers, I saw that my Garmin wasn't matching the board so that you can see of every distance you are doing, you know. My Garmin was saying much more kilometers than I've already done. I just kept going and I was just watching at the time, and then I was calculating, okay, this distance plus this time. Then at around 25, 27, I started to feel like heavy. I was fueling properly. Every 20 minutes, I was taking my gels. I was drinking a little bit. I had this bottle with me. And every time I got the cup, I just stopped for like 5 seconds or something to drink the water. But around 27, 28,
I really started to feel so heavy. And I started strong. 28 kilometers I did at that good pace. But after 28, 29, literally the 30-kilometer wall hit me so hard. I was so tired. At kilometer 33, I think the pacer of 3:45 passed me. And I tried to follow, so I kept up for around 3 kilometers, 4 kilometers maybe. Then at the end, around kilometer 40, the last 2 kilometers, I thought to myself, you know what? Let's just run this out. The last kilometer is an uphill, long 1 kilometer uphill. I saw a girl pass and I thought, you know what? Let me finish strong. So I sped up everything I just got and accelerated it and finished very, very strong. At the end, I did a marathon in 3 hours and 15 minutes and 11 seconds. It was honestly an amazing race. I was so happy. And at the same time, after kilometer 30, I was getting, I don't know, so much emotions, to be honest. I was firstly going for under 4 hours, which I did. So I'm very happy for that. Then, because of the trainings and everything, I thought I might go for 3 hours 45. Because of the Garmin, maybe I was doing something wrong. I don't know. So training is one thing I need to improve, definitely. I need to do more distance and faster pace. I'm just working on everything, so that's good. There are multiple things, as I've said before. I'm a little sick. Maybe that have impacted something. Anyhow, I'm not putting anything on sickness or anything else. It's just because I need more training. I'm just happy because I have this one engraved 350 first marathon and also the last marathon in Brussels, because I've just recently heard in the news this was the last edition of the marathon in Brussels because of cost, and it's difficult to block the whole city for a whole day. Last edition I was part of, amazing. Honestly, this first marathon was something strong, something emotional. I'm going to be a bit vulnerable here, but I did cry at the end. I got emotions. It's like you finish the marathon and then you're empty. You don't have any thoughts. You just, wow, I did it. The emotions got me. So I was happy to have my girlfriend at the moment and my family around me. I have good memories about the marathon, even though at the end I was just dying. Literally, like in the last 10 kilometers, you have like 3, maybe 4-ish uphills in last 10 kilometers. Like, and the strongest one at the end. I'm like, you can't be serious. So more training, more water, rest. That's it. By the way, if you're interested in what I'm using for my marathon, I'm linking down below everything I'm using and I'm still going to use. So definitely check it out. And let me know in the comments, where are you planning to do your first marathon? Or if you already did, where is your next marathon going to be? If you're getting value out of this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, because it helps me create more videos like this to motivate people, to give more tips about trainings and marathons, because I'm still going to grow. Running in a marathon is amazing. It's something hard, something I think everyone should do. And let's do it again. Let's get jacked together.